In the previous video, we have seen the four types of animal tissues: epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous tissue. Now let's observe these tissues practically by doing an activity. Collect a small piece of chicken from a nearby chicken market. Then take the muscle and the skin separately and put it in a beaker containing dilute hydrochloric solution. Now leave this setup for 2 hours. And later, for observing the epithelial tissue, take out the skin and place a small part of this on a slide and cover it with a slip tap. Then observe this under a microscope. You will see a tissue like this. You will notice that all the cells are similar and are tightly packed. You will also notice that they are arranged as a continuous sheath. So we can infer that epithelial tissue protects and covers the animal's body from the inside and as well as the outside. Now take a small piece of the chicken muscle which is already dipped in the dilute hydrochloric acid and prepare a slide and observe it under a microscope. And you will see it like this. Here the cells are arranged in a fibrous manner. These tissues help in the movement of the body. Now for observing the connective tissue, take a sterilized syringe needle and collect 1 drop of blood from the fingertip by pricking it with this needle. Now take a slide and place this 1 drop of blood and cover it with a slip and later observe it under a microscope. And now under the microscope you can see the red blood cells like these. Although blood contains different cells, you will be only able to see the red blood cells. Now these are called as connective tissue and these are loosely spaced and connect all the organs. Apart from this, we have the other kind of tissue, which is the nervous tissue, which connects various organs with the brain and responds to internal and as well as external stimuli. So what have we learned today? We have learned about the types of tissues and also observed them by doing an activity. So until next time, happy learning.